On a rain-soaked Tuesday morning in San Francisco, the courthouse buzzed with unusual anticipation. At the heart of the proceedings was the high-profile case of the state versus Gabriel Reed, a notorious figure accused of orchestrating an international crypto fraud syndicate. Yet, what truly electrified the courtroom was not Reed's criminal infamy, but the debut of an unconventional star witness, Bitcoin's own immutable ledger. Olivia Chen, a seasoned lawyer renowned for her expertise in crypto law, stood poised before the judge. Her adversary, the state prosecutor, had just revealed their ace, a series of Bitcoin transactions mapped across the blockchain. In past years, digital records struggled to gain credibility under cross-examination, mired in doubts about manipulability and authentication. Today, things were different. Rising, Chen addressed the bench. "Your Honor, I submit Exhibit 18. Leveraging blockchain forensics, we can show the precise digital identities and transaction hashes unique to Mr. Reed's activity." The judge, a technology skeptic, peered over his glasses, intent. "Counsel, clarify how one can trust this so-called blockchain to be more reliable than traditional records." With measured confidence, Chen explained the core premise: the blockchain's distributed architecture and cryptographic signatures render it exceptionally tamper-resistant. Every Bitcoin transaction exists as part of a constantly verified chain, recorded by thousands of independent nodes. Altering even a single digit would trigger global alarms. We analyzed the forensic trail using 3 independent experts who verified Reed's digital fingerprints tied to fraudulent wallets. The prosecutor countered, probing whether sophisticated actors could obscure their traces, citing notorious crypto crime techniques. Yet Chen invoked recent judicial precedents, such as the landmark Taiwan versus Wu, where a defendant's digital trail indisputably matched blockchain records. She introduced Professor Jules Hart, an eminent blockchain forensic specialist, whose testimony underscored the scientific reliability of hash-based identification. A dramatic pause enveloped the room as Chen loaded a projection. Myriad transaction nodes glowed, each link radiating outward from Reed's wallet address. "These connections are not merely circumstantial," she declared. "We link Reed to illicit transfers with time-stamped proofs, unchangeable by any party." The jury murmured, drawn by the clarity and irrefutable logic of the evidence. One juror, a retired banker, asked if similar chains could be forged. Professor Hart explained, falsifying Bitcoin's blockchain would require rewriting millions of blocks on thousands of machines simultaneously, a computational feat currently impossible. Blockchain's consensus makes it far more robust than traditional ledgers. As closing arguments approached, Reed's defense attempted a final gambit, dismissing digital identity as abstract and disputing whether the wallet truly belonged to Reed. Chen produced expert analysis tracing Reed's online alias, confirming ownership via historical IP addresses and exchanges requiring identity verification. Her cross-reference documentation painted a tight web linking Reed, the crypto wallets, and the proceeds of the fraud. The verdict echoed with dramatic intensity, not solely for its conviction, but for the precedent it set. For the first time, Bitcoin's blockchain became legal evidence as reliable as physical documents and bank records. Overnight, courtrooms around the globe buzzed with speculation: would future trials hinge on digital ledgers rather than human memory? As the news broke, lawyers, technologists, and judges debated the implications. Would blockchain forensics become an essential legal discipline? Could digital identity, and its errors, become grounds for appeals? In the aftermath, Olivia Chen reflected on her role in shaping this new frontier. The case was about more than Gabriel Reed's fate. It marked the moment when technology became a courtroom witness, and immutable truth found its day in court.